I found a website where you're able to go and list your own giveaways, such as this iPhone 14, or such as this $100 Home Depot gift card for December holidays, an entry competition to win $10,000. You can win a full tank of petrol. I've discovered a way where you can go and take cost per action offers, such as a chance to win a $750 PayPal gift card, where if you refer a person to this giveaway, you're going to get paid $2.05. All they need to do is submit their email and their username to enter for the giveaway, and you will get paid $2.05. The best part about this is you don't have to sell anything. We're giving people the free opportunity to win free money. We can plug in all of these offers over here, such as a chance to win $10,000. We can plug this into this website over here, which has recently been launched and growing very quickly, getting between 21 and 23,000 visitors every single month, allowing you to get a piece of this pie because not many people are posting on this website to get clicks, signups, and revenue every single day. Personally, I've been averaging about $40 a day using this platform, which may not seem like much, but this definitely makes a great side hustle. I mean, anybody can really live off of $40 a day. That can pay for an apartment and transport and your food every single month. You can use what you make from this to do whatever you like with, whether you want to use the revenue to build another business, to open up multiple streams of income, whether you want to pay off some debt, spend it on expenses, entertainment, food, you name it. You can really do what you want from this, as this website either pays direct to your PayPal account or direct wire transfer to your bank account. But without further ado, I don't want to waste any time, and let's get straight into this. What's going on, awesome people of YouTube? Jay here from the Millionaire Mindset YouTube channel, and on my channel I document my journey on various ways that I use to make money online. In today's video, we're specifically going to be focusing on an amazing side hustle that isn't going to pay millions, but it will definitely pay a little bit of an extra a day that can really help you. I've put together these two platforms as I discussed in the introduction of this video, where you can make anywhere between $30 and $40 every single day through cost per action marketing offers. It's really easy, you don't need any skills. It's free to do. All of these websites, you can sign up anywhere in the world. All you need is your phone or a laptop with a browser and an internet connection, and you'll be able to make money online. But if you want to get a notification from me every time I upload my latest way of how to make money online, make sure to go down below and subscribe to this YouTube channel with the red notification bell on so that you don't miss that. But without further ado, we're going to climb straight into my PC and get straight into this. All you need to do is come over to this website and click on Submit Giveaway, and it will take you to the following page where you can go and submit hundreds of different giveaways and sweepstakes onto this website. You can go and upgrade to various different packages. It starts off with a small one and it ends up with a massive package where you can go and get access to a network of hundreds of thousands of followers that will see your post. Essentially meaning you can go and get hundreds of signups to your CPA offer link within days, causing you to make hundreds of dollars every single day. So as you can see, it's very easily scalable to do the strategy. I started off small and averaged about $20 to $40 a day, but you're welcome to go and scale more. But I first recommend before you start this is finish this video so that you understand each and every step that I'm going to lay out for you. In order to go and get hundreds of your giveaways listed on this website, come over to this website called cpagrip.com. Now, this is not a website where you're going to go and make millions online, but it is easily, and the potential is there to make hundreds of dollars a day, which can add up to a decent amount of money every single month. This is a database where you can go and find hundreds of these different giveaways to go and promote and to go and make money off of. It's very easy to go and sign up. If you go and click on register on the top right hand side, it will take you to a new tab where you need to enter your first name, last name, website. Well, you don't really need to enter website, your address, your password, confirm your email address, and you'll be able to register and log in with your account. So I'm going to log in with my existing account and meet you on the dashboard. The dashboard will look like this. The first thing you will see is all the people that are earning from this website, with real-time payouts being printed on the screen, just to show you that this website is actually paying. And take a look at what some people have earned on this website. This person over here called Wheat has earned over $177,000 all time on this website, with over 95,000 referrals to various different cost per action offers. So as you can see, there are people making six figures with this. However, not every person is going to make that. He's one of the big boys that are obviously really successful at this. But if you go and apply what I teach with the CPA marketing, there's nothing stopping you from scaling to that level. Here's another person over here who's earned $174. Another person who's earned over $22,000 $22,000, over $122,000 all time. A person that has earned $15 today, another person that's earned $2 today with 3 leads. So as you can see, people are earning all the time. $11 today, $4 yesterday, $900 this week from this person, $51, and so on and so on. So there are tons of people earning with this. In order for you to go and get listed here and also make this type of money, click on Offer Tools on the left-hand side, go and click on My Offers, and you will see over here, it will load up all the various different offers that you can go and promote. It's very important that you go and choose the right country for this. I recommend go and search up United States and click on these offers. The reason being is because the majority of the traffic on this website, on the website we're going to be posting our giveaways, is 47% from United States. That means more than half the people on that website are from the USA. And that is important because that means only people from the United States will be able to sign up for these offers, which is perfect. It fits well, so we can go and choose any one of these from the United States. Go and choose any one of these. I'm going to go and choose grab a $750 PayPal gift card now, and you'll see if you go and click on this, here is your unique affiliate link. So when someone clicks onto this, it's going to take them to a landing page that looks like this, where all they need to do is it will ask them a couple of questions like, do you have PayPal? Enter your PayPal email so that if you win, you can go and get paid. Once people go and do that, you are going to earn your commission of $2.05 per person that you refer to this giveaway, which may not seem like a lot, but if you refer 100 people to this, that's $200 made. So if you have a target of, let's say, 200 people a week, that's now $400 a week extra that you can make by just referring people to this free giveaway. It's quite an excellent model. So I'm going to go and copy my affiliate link. I'm going to open up a notepad on my PC, and I'm going to save this over here for now because we will need to come back to this later on. This website is called giveawayfrenzy.com. I'll zoom in on the screen so that you can go and see how to spell it. Go and type this in your browser and it will take you to a page that looks like this. And as you can see over here, there are other people doing this as well, but it is very easy to land on the first page of this website to go and get hundreds of clicks and potential signups to your offer every single day. If you go and take a look at some of the latest giveaways that this website is hosting at the moment, you can go and win a $100 Home Depot gift card, a full tank of gas, a $100 Domino's gift card, a $100 Spa Finder gift card, the next big winner of a $50,000 lucky draw competition. You can even win a 2021 BMW motorbike, a 2023 free 31-day yoga and full recovery course, and many other giveaways on this website. And as you can see, this only goes up to page 2. So the competition for this is really not high at all. I mean, I count a total of 80 of the latest giveaways, and remember there's over 24,000 people visiting this website every single month. So that means there's a potential of at least between 20 and 80 people a day to see, click on your offer and sign up for it in order for you to go and get your commission. To go and submit your own giveaway, come over to the top right hand side, click on submit giveaway. Now as you scroll down, you'll see over here, when you submit your giveaway on the true top 100 plus giveaway and sweepstakes sites, from over 100 different promotions, which includes all of the top sites, guaranteed listing of up to 75 plus blogs, and they will handle all of these submissions for you. So this means you can potentially get listed on over 75 different blogs, which is huge potential for hundreds to thousands of people clicking on your CPA affiliate link in order for you to make your affiliate commissions online. You can also use various different promotion methods, such as an 8-week social media promotion to a following basis of over hundreds of thousands of followers on Pinterest, Facebook, and Reddit, which will last 8 weeks, which is a potential of thousands of signups on your particular CPA offer, which means hundreds of dollars online every single day. But obviously these features are paid extras, but if you think about it, this is an investment into your own cost per action marketing business that I'm busy explaining to you. You can also go and make sure that your offer is always listed at the top of the page on the home page, right up top over here in this purple bar for an extra $30. All you need to go and do is scroll down to the bottom and go and type the following. Who is sponsoring this giveaway? 2023 Lucky Draw Company, for example. That's a more than fine name. For your giveaway URL, this is where you need to go and come over to your notepad, copy that same affiliate link from CPA Grip, and go and post that over here. because this is the link that all of your potential leads are going to be clicking on when signing up for your CPA offer, which in our case is the $750 PayPal giveaway. For your title, you can go and type Christmas giveaway $750 PayPal lucky draw giveaway. The prize value, you want to go and type $750. For your description, email now for a chance to win. For the end date, I recommend go and make this 30 days. Which countries can enter? You want to click on United States only, since your offer is only available in the United States. And for an image, pretty simple. You can go and open this image in a new tab of the homepage. Go and save this to your PC. Come over to your submission, click on submit, click on select image, and select the same image that we've just saved. All you need to go and do is enter your first name, so name, surname, email address, which would be my email at gmail.com. And as a verification, what is 6 plus 3? Obviously 9. That would be 9. And your order total is going to be $25 for the startup. And simply, if you want to go and add any extras, all you need to go and do is click on these extras over here. For example, the social media promotion, or make sure your post is stuck to the top, and you'll see you'll now need to pay $70. Now, this may seem like quite a bit, but if you think about it, this is an investment into potentially thousands and tens of thousands of people signing up to your offer, which could be a far higher return than $70. You'll be able to go and submit this giveaway, and they accept all major credit cards and PayPal, so anybody will be able to start this. And once you've done that, your sign up page is going to look something like this. Let's go and click on this iPhone 14 example over here. Your gig or your post is going to look like this. The Christmas $750 PayPal giveaway. With your description, all they need to do is enter their email or their phone number. There'll be a big button that says enter giveaway, where you click on this. It will take them through your unique affiliate link. As you can see over here, I'm from South Africa, so I can't accept most of these offers, as most of them are United States based, but don't worry about that. What's important is the audience that you target. All of the people that will see your post will be able to see your landing page and get access to this, because remember, you've only set your cost per action offer to show to the United States audience. So you don't have to worry about people from the wrong countries clicking on your CPA offer. So everybody will be able to sign up, and you'll be able to make $2.05 over and over again per person that signs up on this website. I'm going to give you an entire cost per action marketing course completely for free on YouTube. This is an entire cost per action course that I could be selling for at least over $400 in a private mentorship, but I've posted and uploaded everything for free on my YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put an entire playlist on the screen over here that's consisted of my best cost per action traffic strategies over the last 2 years on YouTube. So what I recommend you do is save this playlist to your watch later, apply other traffic strategies like I've taught in these videos to this very same method over here, and you can see multiple streams of income and even better results by applying multiple different traffic streams at the same time. So what I recommend is go and click on this playlist over here, and I'll see you over there.